Scott just tried a little bit. Oh, this is great. Scott just tried a little bit of of Josh's smack my ass and call me Sally hot sauce. You can stop. He's not doing very well. How you doing, honey? What's the matter?
Come on, come on.
It started out kind of bad. I wish I'd been recording the whole time. This is just the end of it. Just mouth. Calm down. Hi. How you doing?
Oh! It's burning me! Oh.
I don't think he can take it.
Oh! This one sure is.
How do your sinuses feel? Was it spicy, honey? Tell the camera how it made you feel. What's hot?
Good.
Ew.
It's burning me right now.
He's crying. I want you to see his tears in his eyes. That's not from the water.
Oh, shit.
I guess when they say it's the hottest stuff, they really mean it's the hottest stuff.
I'm not doing that ever again. Burn it!
Poor honey.
Oh my god.
It's making him sweat. Obviously his sinuses are running. He's having involuntary spasms of the leg. Oh, and he's drooling.
This is terrible.
Kind of entertaining to me, but...
What?
Oh, that's so much drool. Willing to be, the buddy's only going to put that stuff in his mouth again. We would like to kindly thank Josh and his spank my ass and call me Sally, the slap parade around the world, the hottest condiment on earth, for this fantastic entertainment. Warning, label. This sauce is extremely hot. Keep away from children. Do not use if you have heart or respiratory problems. Wash hands after use. You heard it, kids. It's painful. He's still drooling. and having random leg spasms. Not sure how long this is going to go on.
Wish I've ever had.
Did it taste good until it started burning?
It didn't taste good. Oh my god. I'm ruined.
I think it might have caused blindness, too. He just ran his head into the cupboard.
Hold on here.
Oh, poor Scott. The hot sauce definitely spanked his ass and called him Sally. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Are you doing better now?
Yeah.